Alright, first step to this installation here. Which is always very important, is you want to lay out your tile. And this is a small floor, so I'm actually going to put them down and dry fit them. Now you can do it this way, put your spacers in, or you can lay out a few and take some measurements. You can mark on a stick, and we call it kind of like a story pole. So you push those together, that's going to be our joint. It's a 12 by 24 rectified. We run them this way, so we're going to lay them out left to right and see who we got to this wall. Nice 1/4 inch to the wall, so that's going to work. We're going to have full tile to this side and that side, and still having our expansion joint to the wall. What you want to do, I try to stay within a 1/4 inch plus or minus a 1/16. You don't want to go more than, less than an 1/8, and more than say like 3/8, because then it's getting close to the base molding covering it. What I'm do now, since I got this laid out over here, I'm going to take my pencil. This one is where I want to go off of, so we're going to mark this side of the tile. So we want to start with 2 rows off. We're going to mark a line on the edge of this tile, not this one, but this one right here. That's going to be our line. So what we're going to do is we want to stay square to the door, but really straight to this long wall here, because that's where this tile is going to be going into. Okay, now we're laying out that tile here. We're going to do 25% offset. So we're going to lay this out dry. I'm going to start with a full here, and so when I get to the door I have a good size piece. So our next size piece is 3/4. The way I like to do it is I measure the tile. So what I did is I measured from this edge of this tile 11 inches and 11 inches that way, and then roughly that's my center. So I measure it, came up with 11 3/4. That's my exact half of the tile. And what I do is I split this half from here to here, another half, and that's 5 7/8. So to check what I got against this wall, I measure from here. This is going to be my half piece from there. That's going to be my 3/4 size piece, or a 1/4, whichever you want to consider it. Okay. Basically, I have a full tile from here to here when I measure to get to the door. So our stagger is going to be 25. Our stagger is going to be 25% approximately. So our measurements are 5 7/8, 11 3/4, 17 5/8. Now how I get that? Split the tile in half. That's my half measurement, and this is my 1/4 and 3/4 measurement. So from here to here is my 1/4 piece, and then from here to here is my 3/4 piece. So pretty much laid out everything here. I made sure I have good sized pieces of this wall into this doorway, but for over here we just start a stagger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a full piece just like right here. I'm going to start off with a 3/4 half piece right there. So we're going to have half, 3/4, full. Okay, now that I've got these pre-cut for the toilet area, what I'm going to do is the last piece that's cut, I'm going to put that up against the wall first. I keep going through that all the way to the beginning. That way I have my first piece ready to go to sit here, and everything is right in order.